Today I'm going to be going over mag extensions. So we have this +7 magazine extension from ThrashTactical for Glock mags. I'm going to be installing it in this 17 round Glock mag. Just a few things to preface this. This is not less than 140 millimeters for my carry optics. It comes with your extended spring, your extended base pad, a plate, 2 screws for that plate, air screws, hex key, little business card, some of the things they do, and always my favorite part, a sticker. This does not fit Magpul Glock mags, does not fit those. I already tried it, but we're gonna get this knocked out. So I'm just gonna take a screwdriver and a punch. You don't need the special Glock tool to take apart Glock mags. It is a little bit harder, but you don't need it. So I'm just gonna push it in, and then I'm actually gonna pull back and push that base plate off. So you have your plate, push in, you're gonna leverage, and then push it. Comes out just like that. Alright, so remove your old spring and follower. You have your spring, you're going to want to keep your follower. So just remove that. You're going to attach your follower to your spring, drop it in. You're going to take your mag extension, place it on top, compress it. It's gonna look a little bit wonky, but you're gonna push it in, and then as you're pushing it in, you're gonna compress that spring down. And you're gonna take your base pad. This should be angled downward. Put in both your screws. Be sure not to over tighten. And there's your mag. So now we're going to count. So the spring is definitely stronger, so you may have to do this a few times. Brand new box of match ammo. 1, 2, 23. Got it. Okay. 24 rounds. So you're probably going to want to do this with a speed loader a couple times just to get the spring worked in. But that is a 24 round mag, so then you can get 24 plus 1. Again, this will not fit that 140 millimeter gauge for carry optics. I have my Glock 19X clear. So much longer for sure. And this is what she looks like. That is how you add a mag extension from ThrashTactical to your stock Glock mag. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments.